Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Pastebin link is whole. Partial links will fail. Open a modern browser and paste the URL into the address bar, then press Enter. If you see a redirect prompt, make sure it matches Pastebin. Do not click unknown domains. Once loaded, look for the paste content area. If the page requires a password or raw view, note that it changes the next steps. Make sure to pause if security warnings appear. Once the paste opens, decide whether you need the formatted page or the raw text. Click Raw to get plain content. You do this when you want exact characters or code without HTML wrapping. Use Ctrl+F to locate keywords or line numbers quickly and scroll carefully to confirm context. If you need the text, highlight and copy with Ctrl+C. On Mac, use Command+C. Make sure to avoid clicking random download buttons. Pastebin provides text, not executables. To finish, paste the copied text into a local editor and save with the correct extension, for example, TXT or PY. This preserves formatting. If the paste won't load, open an incognito window or temporarily disable extensions that block scripts. Sometimes privacy tools hide the content. Also, confirm the paste hasn't expired or been set to private. That explains many access errors. If you still can't access it, contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.